Hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams. It's Thursday, so typically that means it's Mail Day Thursday. I'm stopping by today to let you know that I'm putting Mail Day Thursday on hold, just kind of taking a break from it. As you can see, I don't really have any cards out. I've gone down the alcohol ink rabbit hole. This was my first play with trying the pearl inks. I did not watch enough videos, didn't really work out. But anyways, I digress. Mail Day Thursday, I love the concept of it. I've been having fun with it, but I'm noticing that I'm starting to procrastinate mailing things out, and then that leads to me feeling guilty, and then it just piles up, and I just decided it was time to take a break. I'm going to leave the Google form open in case anyone wants to add themselves, because I still will randomly send out cards, but I'm just not going to be making a video about it every week. I encourage you to go out and send at least one card a week. And I hoped to have lots of videos this week, but it's been a busy week and my daughter is sick and I'm not feeling the greatest with our allergies. So all my big plans I think are going to be pushed back to next week, but I will get them. And if I get the hang of this, who knows, maybe I'll do an alcohol ink video too. Thanks for stopping by, and don't forget tomorrow night is Craft Roulette and I am the special guest, so come on over and join us for the fun. All right, thanks and have a great day.